All right, boys. Let's go to the main entrance. Come on. Yeah, Sky, it's locked. You can't get in.
No, it's not. Actually,
come on.
It's got welded or it's locked.
Let's go. Follow mom. Follow mom.
It's locked from the inside.
So here we are on day 8. Would have started it sooner, but the museum that we were going to in Culpeper had a no photography sign, so I'm like, okay, I respect that. Put the camera away and just enjoyed the museum. And it's a small one, but it goes over the history of the town of Culpeper. It's the old train depot and visitor center. There's Amtrak that you can get on there and go all the way to DC at that train depot also.
Spit it out the key.
Yeah, it talks about the major battles that happened here in Culpeper during the Civil War. Both battles at Cedar Mountain, the bigger one that was over on, I remember that one. It's like Kelly Rush Run or something like that. And then there's the Culpeper courthouse battle that also happened. Anyways, we were on our way to North Carolina, where my parents have 2 properties. Also North Carolina, my best friend from high school, who's been in the Navy since we got out of high school, stationed in Japan, Hawaii, Seattle, then back to Hawaii, and now in Virginia. He lives in North Carolina, but he's dock, shipyard, whatchamacallit, is Norfolk in Virginia. So he drives, I want to say 45 minutes or like 30 minutes to and from work every day. He was just out on a training mission in San Diego to start learning how to work on the naval hovercrafts. So he's hoping and wanting shore duty for the next couple of years to hopefully finish out his time with the Navy. So we're on a 5-hour drive down to North Carolina from Culpeper, Virginia. Car rides.
Okay, we have to address the handcuffs though. The handcuffs. The child will not. Oh no! Guess what? They broke. We went to dinner last night for an early birthday.
Happy birthday.
It's my birthday today, and so last night.
How old are you?
No. My in-laws took me out to dinner.
This dinner, and we had to
wait about 30 minutes for our table.
And
so we go into a store.
I found handcuffs and I got them.
And so we found them for $1. And they're like plastic, and if Curtis keeps it in, he literally just broke them. And I told him I wasn't buying new ones. Once they break, they break. Like, I'm done. I put them back
broke
together.
them, and then my mom, we fixed them.
I just put them back together for him. And crisis averted, because I was not going to listen to crying the whole way. But he's back there playing with handcuffs because he thinks he needs handcuffs.
He's gonna arrest people.
Yes, he keeps telling people, earlier this morning he goes, I have handcuffs, Mom, so if nobody's gonna be good on your birthday party, I'm gonna arrest them.